SppDb is an application that helps you store information about plants that you work with and some extra information about plants you may well work with in the future as your knowledge of plants improves. We're looking here at the interface, how the application appears on the screen when you first load it, and it's rather like a set of record cards. And here I'm looking at the winged fruit mallee. I can scroll to the next record like so. So I'm obviously looking at a series of eucalypts, and I can click in here and scroll through different images that I've got, in this case of Eucalyptus caesia, and I can scroll backwards and forwards through the database here, and we go back to where we started. We store information on the common name, the species family, and there's a drop list for you to choose from, height and width, plant type, and you can set these up and customize these however you like, some sort of code, ornamental features, landscape use, and so on. Imagine, for the sake of argument, you wanted to find those landscape, those species that might work well with erosion control. So we tick the box on the left and say, go and find them. That produces a list of species that we know can be used to control erosion in awkward areas, and we can print that list or export that list as a text-based database file. So we'll close from there and go back to our edit view. On the left are links to various tables. I can go to a hard space table, and here I'm looking at an image where we've got examples of angular seats and a backdrop. I could go to different designs. Here's a design for bush regeneration. If you store symbols that you stamp in your drawing, you can store them here. And more importantly, you can store notes. Here's a note, a disclaimer that you might want to put on the back or the bottom of a CAD file. So in order to do that, you can just select all, copy, and paste that directly into, say, an M-text box in your CAD application. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of how versatile and how easy it is to use SppDb.